amazing and unbelievable. I just can't handle it, guys. Like,
fun time with DissiNotRA. Makers 101.
what's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you've been here before. And welcome to the new studio! I know it has been a little bit of a waiting game with me, guys, but a bunch of videos are already prepared and waiting, so get ready, guys. So, this is part 2 of the recent 11 review. Wow, how exaggerated. Oh, by the way, this is part 2 of the recent 7. Why the heck am I keep saying 7-11 review? Part 2 of the recent 11 review, and today, as promised, we're going to check out specifically our Scenic hybrid instrument. Guys, I'm already drooling. You don't even know, I've been using this thing like crazy. I actually came up with 108 beats in that time. Amazing! So good, it's ridiculous. So, let's get into it. First of all, I have to correct myself, guys. I have been making a mistake. I have given you wrong information last time. I've been complaining a tiny little bit about the function of drawing notes and not being able to undraw them with double click or right click or anything like that. But I was so wrong, guys. I kept doing that hassle that everybody hates. I kept switching over to the pencil tool to draw notes, right? Like that. But guess what, guys? With double click, you can remove them, and also with double click, you can actually paint notes too. Just in case somebody doesn't know why this is filling out the whole bar here, it's because we are on snap and on bar. If I do half notes, obviously it's going to draw half notes, quarter notes, eighths, and so on and so forth. Now, either you delete them by selecting them, or what I actually really love is this function that like I said, told you last time it's not possible, but it is. And as somebody that has been using Reason for years, this is really embarrassing, I would say. But every day you learn something new. I must say, guys, this has been happening to me with Reason since years. That there's always something that I keep learning about it and keep learning about it, which is why I love this program so much. Amazing! Okay, let's get into it. So we have our little beat, but we want to play with our beautiful hybrid instrument. So right off the bat, I want to show you one preset that is called tension. Just for the simple sound of it, okay? I mean, just listen to this. Okay, right off the bat, I didn't do nothing. Make this an octave lower. Come on, that's already a beat right there. Like, I could make a beat off of that already. Jesus. Alright, this is actually bad, right? Like, what am I actually doing right here? I should have set this up the other way around. So, let's do it. Crossover weights. As you can see, we have 2 sections here, which is the main thing that this is built on, okay? That's why it's actually extremely simple to use. So, let's try it. So, we're playing a note here. And with this balance, right away, we can figure out what 2 sounds, the sound that we are hearing is actually composed out of, okay? So watch this. So we have obviously the rhythmic thing on that side, the rhythmic pattern, and this crunchy thing on the other side, right? So first of all, right away, now you can see we can make a mix of what we want to hear more. How awesome is that, right? Do you see how awesome that is? But not only that, now we can choose, okay, what we want to change around on each side, side A and side B. So here, a bunch of things happening, okay, we have keys and plugs, orchestras, I mean, guys, pads and synths, single samples, sound effects, user sample. Do you understand what I'm saying? User sample? Do you even understand you can load your freaking own sample here? And what you want to do in order to have more functions here is click on edit, okay? So this is also the section where we can load our user sample, obviously. Similar as in the other sample, my favorite sample, we also have the start position and everything and so on. And we can also edit the sample. So we have here our sources. We will now change this pulse into an LFO. You see what's happening? Phrase rate, let's do this one to an echo. And here you can see the destination of where you want the effect to go. I mean guys, this is so much custom work that you can do on one sound, which is like, I'm just so in love with this, guys. This thing could be a whole tutorial for like an hour. I'm gonna keep it short and simple, but this is really nuts, as you can see. By the way, sorry for your background sounds. The new studio is actually in an amazing area here in LA. We have amazing musicians living in this living complex, so we probably have some studio kind of sounds, beats in the background, which I totally don't mind at all. I hope I'm not leaking stuff. So Engine A FX, as you can see here, which you then can turn on and off the effects as well. So I just took out these echoes and turned off this LFO here. And we have a completely different sound again. Let's go to our choral cello. How beautiful is that, huh? This is like a bass sound that is... Woo! Let's close this out again. We are completely on the left side. Now, obviously, we can do the same thing with the other side. We had this already going on, so let's put this up. Ooh! I mean, guys, woo! Come on, come on, come on, come on. This one we were at accents since. Look how many! I mean, seriously, guys. Let's try this one. But what if we go into keys? Woo, 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 woo. Now, let's go to another one. String along. Woo, this is beautiful. Look at this, guys. Woo. Now, watch this here. You see this? You see this? I mean, guys, this is just a never-ending story of amazing sound creation. Like, seriously. Wow. Woo! Just the way it comes already. And then, as I told you, you can just freaking do stuff here too. But now, let's try getting our own sample. This one sounds great. Let's use this one. Let's just edit this and normalize it so it's louder. Wow. So, let's hear this. We just need a good pitch. Woo! Guys, if you can't tell me that this is not freaking beautiful. So beautiful. Let's close this out real quick. You know that this is a new beat that I'm making today. Hey! I don't even want to add this to this beat. Let me take this away. Beautiful. We just need less of this cello. Oh my god. And besides the fact that we can anyway put effects extra on it, we don't need to do that anyways. Extra effects through the rack, since we have everything. Like literally everything. Ah! Oh my god! You just want to DJ with just these knobs, right? Like, oh my god. We are back to Engine A, right? Now we can click here on the insert effects itself and play with them again. Amazing and unbelievable. I just can't handle it, guys. Like, look at this. Chorus, phaser, saturation. I mean, our typical chorus functions, typical phrasal functions. Let's put a little bit more chorus, a little bit more. Tone shaper. I mean, for example, here we need to take a little bit out of the mids. You see that? How much of that went away? Very beautiful. Basically, our high pass filter, our low pass filter right here. Let's see what saturation does. Woo! Sounds almost like a distortion. This is like a drone. This is beautiful. Amazing. Let's see what the echo and reverb does right here. Makes it obviously even more prettier. Oh yeah, please give me a reverb. Pre-delay, low, time, high. The level obviously here too, as well as here the echo level, as well as here pan mode amount, and so on. These are always the amounts of things, these little knobs here. And the same thing you can do for engine B here as well, obviously. Clack. Clack, clack, clack. Watch this, guys. This is ridiculous. Let's mute the beat real quick. Let's change its reverb around. Look at this here, chord surge. Beautiful. Turn on this compressor. You hear how the compression works immediately. This is our regular compression, as you can see. Maybe a tag a little high, lower. Beautiful. So as you can see, remember this part here. We want to change around all these functions here. Sweep, vintage, movements. Here in our master section, sweep, vintage, movement. We can change this around here. I just realized I shouldn't cover my mouth talking to the microphone. We have our balance here again, the same thing that we have here. We can also turn off the master completely, which, why should we do that? Now, for example, in our engine B right now, in this solo cello, let's do something with it. Let's get here that saturation thing going on. See? And obviously some more phaser. How beautiful is that, guys? This is ridiculous. I can't stop working on you. So down here also again to our little LFOs. Here turn on and off, obviously, and then also the LFO function itself right in here. So we can add 2 LFOs and a pulse if we want to, single pulse. Let's turn this one off. 16 wave, 16 vary, and so on and so forth. Guys, this is just beautiful. I just wanna I can't stop. Filter A, oh my god. Pretty much the same like almost every other one. So I'm not gonna get into this too. So let me just click here on some more functions that you can see. Portamento on or off, obviously, or automatic. Granular on or off. Woo, 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 woo. Amazing. Anyway, guys, we could play with this forever now. Ooh, my neighbor is jamming his music. Woo, woo, woo. I'm gonna try to get him in one of these videos, you know that. That's it, guys. Stay tuned for the other videos. Actually, the video before part 3 is going to be part 2 of how to make binaural beats, which wasn't even planned. The reason is because people asked me, okay, this is how you make a binaural beat, but how do you integrate this binaural beat into an actual beat or an actual song? Which is where we start getting into the area of manipulating people, but alright, I'll show you. Alright guys, again, thank you guys for sticking around with me even though I haven't been uploading regularly as usual. A lot of things going on and videos coming, and as usual, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have any questions, requests, or ideas, let me know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to check the links. There is awesome stuff to discover. Oh, and keep your eyes open for the new designs that are coming out for Christmas in the Beat Maker Universe Lover shop of mine. And as always, much love to everyone. Stay focused and have a blessed now. Mwah.